Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Biker 1K. So, as you can see, I've gone and purchased a DELKEVIC exhaust. So this is the unboxing. I've already cut it open. So the first thing I notice is we get a band. Okay. And then I'm guessing that's the link pipe. Some silicone exhaust sealant. And there it is, all shiny and new. Nice looking. 350mm, that one is, with a removable baffle. Alright guys, so I just remembered before I start, what I wanted to do was let you hear the old exhaust. So, bike's warmed up. That's the old exhaust. I don't know if you can hear that there, you should be able to. So, first thing you'll notice is I've had a few issues already. So I had to put an exhaust clamp on because it was blowing a bit. Just around the seals, it wasn't not major. Let's loosen that off. Let's say sufficiently. Pretty boring video for you really guys. When I edit loads of this out, I might even put a time lapse on. Why am I replacing it? Well, listen. There's a slight issue inside that. Somebody's been in here before me. Well, this is going to take a while, isn't it? Oh well. So, cleaned it up. I reckon that the new one comes up to about there anyway. So, I've cleaned that up. It's as smooth as I can get it. And let's open this link pipe. It looks like there's a load of fittings in there. You can see all the fittings in there, look. So it's okay. So as you can see guys, I haven't got a workshop. I've got a garage, but ooh, shiny. So 2 clamps on the end, new bracket there, decent welding look. That's quite nice. Let's have a look at the packaging, the fittings. So, hardware wise, what do we get? So, we get 2 little bolts, 2 little nuts, 2 little bolts, 1 little nut with a nylock washer, 3 washers, a mounting bracket, and a rubber stop. Obviously, that goes on there like so. Obviously quite a way on, because that's meant to meet onto there. So this here is your centre stand stop, so you can't go up any further. I reckon so. Fits there like that, so that's that. So that comes in there. I haven't got a bolt in here because I didn't have one when I had the old exhaust on for some reason. Is that a thread? Yeah, it looks like a thread. May well have been painted over though. There's one reason you have a box that says various nuts and bolts, because you chuck nothing away, never. Does that fit? No. Oh, not this one. Too big. Way too big. Ooh, no then. Bearing in mind that it's covered in paint. Not my doing, guys. Why do people paint over bolt holes? So, we found something in our little box of tricks that will do the job. That's why, guys, you never throw anything away. An old box, mark it up, keep everything. Right. Something up with these, because that doesn't match up with that. And there's no way on this earth it does. And that doesn't sit over the top of that. And of course, these could have been cut. Because to me, looks like they have. They need to be another ½ inch. That's going to be a problem. It won't let the centre stand go down. And it doesn't do nothing. But I've got one that side. I don't really need it. Can I cut that off? Do you know, I probably could. Don't really want to. And that bracket comes there and that comes to there like that, I reckon. There's absolutely no way that that fits. Right, so that doesn't need to be there. Right guys, this is proper drastic on a new, and I stress new, exhaust. Because someone's already modified the downpipes, i.e. cut them, this is in the way. I've got one on the other side for the centre stand. The old exhaust didn't have one, so it's coming off. Once I make this cut guys, that's it. So, Dremel. Alright guys, so you've seen me there using the Dremel, and the issue I had was that the downpipes, tilt you up a bit, so the issue I had there was that the downpipes have already been modified, I believe, to fit, I think it's a MOTAD, not sure, 100%. It's the joys of buying old bikes, I'm afraid. You don't know what the previous owners done or had done, whatever. So anyway, this one, as you remember, came with the centre stand support bracket. Now that was hanging down below. It actually went, which way did it go? It went that way. Alright, and that was actually hanging down below my centre stand because of the modifications that have previously been done. So I've got one of these on the other side, stops the centre stand raising all the way up. The old one didn't have it on, so I thought my only solution, get the Dremel out. As you can see, I've Dremeled it off. Alright, I've rounded all the edges off so there's nothing sharp left on, and it's just going to sit like that on the inside of the exhaust. No one's going to see it anyway. All they're going to see is that. Alright, but it's a good example of what happens when you're trying to do something on an old car or bike or whatever, and somebody else has had it. It's 21-year-old guys. This is what happens. So you have to adapt and overcome. I don't want to start knocking the wells out of this. Yeah, it's no hardship leaving that like that. So that is now, well, surplus to requirements on this job, but you never know. So that'll go in my box of bits left over, if you like. So now I can start fitting this. I have got to come up with some kind of support bracket here, because where it's been shortened, the downpipes, that doesn't line up. So I have to come up with something. I do think I have something that I can maybe cut, shape, drill, just to give that bit of support that it needs there, just to stop any vibrations. I'm guessing they wouldn't put it on if they didn't need it. So that one I'm going to adapt. That one I didn't. I just got rid of. Excellent. Right, onwards. I found a very similar bracket to, in fact, it's identical. Never throw nothing away. So I should be able to mount that in there and then drill a hole through there, dry fit again. This is why you dry fit shit, guys. See, it should go there, but there's a gap there, so that doesn't work. Something like that, and then I can just drill a hole in there. Hello mate, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright, yeah, you? Problem?
Yeah, new exhaust, but whoever's had this before has butchered the downpipes, so it's ½ an inch short.
Oh, bugger.
So I'm having to bodge my new exhaust to get it to fit. Because I think my old exhaust had it, Keith. You ready?
Oh yeah. It has, Graham.
I think that's about done for, mate. Trying to beat the rain anyway.
Yeah, I I know, yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
I mean, I'll be back in a couple of hours if you're still here.
Oh, I might well be under an umbrella.
No, you're not. Yeah, good luck with it. Sorry I can't stop, mate.
No dramas, mate. That's how we've got it set up. You can see the line here. Just that I want to scribe down. Just down here. And that, I reckon, is what we need. In the rain bouncing outside, look. And I've got no exhaust on. And I've got to fix the exhaust for work tomorrow in 12 hours time. Oh, the joys. Right guys, the rain's kind of stopped for a while. So I've made me little bracket. You can see it there. Chamfered the edges off, found a nut and bolt for it. I've loosely fitted these are all still loose. Yeah, I put proper sealant on it. As you can see, I've got it on the downpipe, on the link pipe, and now, see, that's where the centre stand stair was going to go. But you can see I've got one over there anyway. So, did I need it? I don't think so, you know. All set, rounded off. So, not an issue. So now, end pipe. So I'm end pipe, end can. So with the bracket now, I've put the rubber strip on. Make sure it meets in the middle, guys. I had to do it a couple of times. And then I've just got to work out, I'm guessing that goes like that. So, we put that round there like so. DELKEVIC'S provide you a little tub of sealant. So I'm just going to run that round in one solid bead. Right, so now that wiggles on there, you line that up there, and that goes in there. Now I'm touching the bottom of the pannier there. There's another bracket there. Oh God, am I glad the rain stopped. Right, so I reckon that goes like that, but I need another belt for that. So I'll put this through. I've got a washer here. I don't think it needs a washer per se. Remember guys, at the minute, nothing's tight. Everything is loose. It's now away from the panniers. I'm going to start nipping up these exhaust clamps. That's tight. So we've got that. And what do we reckon? 12 mil? So these shouldn't come undone. That's FT. Fucking tight. Let's give that a little wipe. We don't want all them mucky fingerprints on it, do we? Well, gotta say guys, it's looking good. Don't know what it's gonna sound like if I get a blow on it now. Now that looks much better. Now, I don't want to over tighten it guys. The last thing I want to do is snap one of these. Then finally, these two front clamps. So everything's tight. We've double checked everything. Let's show you what it looks like. So there's the end of it. Little glove screw under there. See? Removable baffle. That's staying in. So nice. DELKEVIC'S can. Little bracket there, look. This piece came with the kit. The band came with the kit. Nice solid clamp. Now this bit didn't line up with my hole, see? So I had another little thing, does the job, and then two clamps here holding the downpipes in. Now I think these downpipes are being cut. I think these should have come back to about here. It's about half an inch short, look. I think these are being cut half an inch to get that MOTAD system on. But I reckon that might do it. So, the moment of truth. That's with the baffle in, look. Tick over's nice. Just purrs. Yeah. Certainly sounds nice. Brilliant.
Some people love motorbikes
Yeah.
and other people hate them.
That's fine, mate. All I'm doing, I don't normally rev this time of night. I've just put new exhaust on.
Yeah.
I've got to heat it up just to get all the